With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello dear student, the question is what are compounds and mixtures? In this question, compounds and mixtures are asked. So first of all, I am writing here definition of a compound. What is a compound? When two or more elements, when two or more elements combine together, when two or more elements combine together in a fixed ratio by mass, in a fixed ratio by mass, then a compound is formed. Then a compound is formed. So this is the definition of a compound. When two or more different elements, when two or more different elements combine together in a fixed ratio by mass. So when two or more different elements combine together in a fixed ratio by mass, then a compound is formed. Now examples. Examples of compounds are, if we consider the case of water, the formula of water is H2O. Water consists of hydrogen and oxygen elements. Whenever hydrogen and oxygen combine together in a ratio 1:8 by mass, then we get always water. In water, the ratio of hydrogen to oxygen by mass is 1:8. Second example, if we consider the case of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, it is made up of two different elements, one is carbon and another is oxygen. In carbon dioxide, the ratio by mass of carbon and oxygen is 3:8. 3:8. Fixed ratio. So when two or more different elements combine together in a fixed ratio by mass, then we get a compound. So this is the definition of compound. Now what are mixtures? Mixtures, definition of a mixture: when two or more substances, when two or more substances, two or more substances are mixed, when two or more substances are mixed in any proportion, mixed in any proportion, then a mixture is formed. Then a mixture is formed, or a mixture is obtained. A mixture is formed. If we consider examples of mixtures, then we can write here examples of mixtures. If we consider the simple case of mixtures, for example, sugar plus water. When sugar is added in water, then we get a mixture. There is no any proportion. There is no any proportion what amount of water is taken and what amount of sugar is added in water. Mixture is formed. For example, if we consider the example of air, air is a mixture. Air consists of different gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, some inert gas like argon, etc. Different gases are mixed in air. So it is a mixture. Mixtures may be homogeneous and heterogeneous. So this is about compounds and mixtures. So this is the answer of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.